So a friend of mine messaged me and asked me to run a property through the ARV tool here. So we'll see what we get. It is a commercial property. So this is totally a test. So I just click start and we'll see what it says. Actually, I don't know much about it. That'll just give me the address. So click start. So the property is a commercial property in Kenosha, Wisconsin, 6312 22nd Avenue. And I need to determine the value of this property. Fred has an upcoming is thinking about refinancing his building and wants to get an idea on what the value might be. Since this is a commercial property, we're going to have to focus on any data we can find to determine what the going cap rate is in this market for this type of property. Okay, let me just double check. Person. Let's see. Let's type a friend as an upcoming is thinking about refinancing his building. Wants to get an idea of what the value might be. And since it's a commercial property, you need to value it that way. So, and this is really made for residential property. It would be taking a comparable sales based approach to doing a valuation. So we'll see what we get here. It's basically going to go through its thinking process and try to see what I can find. Now, what's great about this is that it's doing this on its own, and I could be doing something else while this is happening. So let's see. B3 zone commercial retail property, a little over 1,000 square feet on a really tiny lot. Oh, it's making some assumptions here. Like we don't have the lease or the net operating income. Yep. Marked by Boost Mobile. So it says 125, 185,000. I have no idea. I don't know anything about this market. So it's, again, market rent here, possible cap rate around that. And you need the income approach. So since we don't have those numbers, it is just putting some bands together that would give you an idea of NOI and then applying a cap rate to that to get a value. So we're seeing a range of 5 to 14, 9.75. And they'd be right about there. Here we go. Average Kenosha cap rate 6.75 according to this data source. Median cap rate of 9% from Crexy. 170,000 square feet for retail listings. So it goes through what the different ways would be to value it. Also does a sales comparison reality check. And here's a couple. It's like these are more this $81 square foot, 88 square foot, 70 square foot. So, top 178 down to 102. And so it gives a pretty wide range there. And so going through that, that took all of 6 minutes here from start to finish. And we have a report that gives us some data, lets us know the assumptions, and now I have a quick range on refinance. So I'll send this over to the friend, see what he thinks about it. He'll be able to probably have a better idea on how to interpret this for a building he already owns. So thanks for watching. If you are interested in the ARV GPT, then just comment on the video and I can get you set up with access.